Hi students, welcome to Only Maths Tutorial Point. Today we are going to discuss on the topic called mean of ungrouped data. In the previous video I have discussed on average classifications of averages, right? Nothing but what are the types of averages. In nothing but mean is classified into two types, grouped data and ungrouped data. Median is classified into two types, grouped data and ungrouped data, and mode is classified into two types, that is grouped data and ungrouped data. Today we are going to discuss on mean of ungrouped data. Okay, in this I am going to give you the definition, the formula related to this mean of ungrouped data, and also examples. We will discuss two examples. Okay, mean is nothing but average students. Okay, first one I will discuss. Okay, mean is nothing but average. Okay, what is average? What is the general term of average? The sum of all observations by total number of observations. Okay, the sum of all observations by total number of observations. Here I have given formula. Mean is denoted by x bar, small x bar, x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus so on xn by n, where n is nothing but number of observations. So how can we read this one? Sum of all observations by number of observations. Okay, this formula can be used when only observations are given. Okay, those are all you can understand in the example part. Okay, coming to this frequency part, if number of observations and also frequencies are given, how can we solve mean of ungrouped data? Okay, this is a formula for finding mean of ungrouped data when frequencies are given. Okay, x bar equal to f1 x1 plus f2 x2 plus so on plus fn xn by f1 plus f2 plus so on fn. Okay, here I have mentioned here in the formula 1. Okay, x1 x2 x3, not only in formula 1, in x2 also, in second equation also, x1 x2 so on xn are called the observations. Okay, the first formula we are dealing with f1 term, f term. Okay, there is nothing but frequency. Okay, f1 f2 so on fn, those are called the frequencies. What are those? Okay, I have given here under note. x1, the observation, first observation, and the frequency, first frequency. First observation is repeated f1 times, that is the meaning of that. Okay, here second observation x2 is repeated f2 times. Okay, you can understand easily in the example part. Okay, let's discuss with one example. Okay, find the mean or average of 15 students in a class who scored marks in mathematics for 25 marks. I have given observations here. In observation that one, marks of students in maths subject for 25 marks, 23, 24, 16, 18, 20, so on. Whatever we are discussing here, this is nothing but ungrouped data, because whenever we are using class intervals, okay, those are called the grouped data. That one we will discuss in the next video. Here you concentrate on ungrouped data. Okay, the observations are given here in nothing but marks of students, right? So what we have to find here? We have to find the mean of the given data. Okay, this is the formula. So x bar equal to, mean is denoted by x bar, nothing but summation x by n, or we can call sum of all observations by number of observations, or in other way we can write as x bar equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 so on plus x15. Here we are talking with 15 observations, 15 students data, so that's why I have mentioned up to 15 here by n in n. Okay, now how we can solve this? Here n is nothing but total number of students in a class. Okay, and then we have to take the sum of all the observations, 23 plus 24 plus 16 plus 18 plus so on up to last term. take the sum and divide by 15. So what we get? X bar equal to 293 by 15. We get the result as 19.5. Okay, therefore the mean of the given data is 19.5. Therefore the average score marks in mathematics subject is 19.5. Okay students, thank you. And coming to the example of mean of ungrouped data for using frequencies, we'll discuss in the next video. Thank you students.